In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your LinkedIn profile link on WhatsApp effortlessly. This quick tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily share your professional presence with contacts via WhatsApp. So let's dive right in and make sure your LinkedIn profile can be quickly accessed by those you need to connect with. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website by simply typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this by signing in with Google, Microsoft, or if you prefer, using your email address and password. This offers a bit of flexibility depending on what's most convenient for you. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security feature, LinkedIn might request a verification code. This code is typically sent as a text message to your registered phone number. Go ahead and input the code to successfully access your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. You'll see an avatar or profile picture. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select View Profile. This will direct you to your personal profile page, where all the information that defines you professionally is displayed. Once you're on your profile page, it's time to grab the link to your profile. You have two straightforward options here. You can either copy the URL directly from the address bar of your browser, or if LinkedIn provides a share profile button, you can use that to copy your profile link. This link is what you'll be sharing on WhatsApp, so make sure you have it copied correctly. Now move over to your WhatsApp application either on your phone or on the desktop version. Navigate to the chat where you want to share your LinkedIn profile. It could be a new conversation or an existing chat with someone you want to connect more professionally with. In the message box, simply paste the link you've just copied. Once you've pasted the link, hit send and there you have it. You've successfully shared your LinkedIn profile on WhatsApp. And there you go, a simple and effective way to broaden your professional network using two of the most popular platforms available today. Whether you're looking to expand your professional connections or just need to share your profile quickly, this method ensures you're never more than a few clicks away from reaching out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more handy how-tos. See you in the next video.